Focusing on preservation of awareness within the quantum ocean framework leads us to groundbreaking consciousness preservation experiments, redefining our understanding of self, reality, and existence beyond the physical body. Below are scientifically structured experiments designed to test, validate, and expand upon the nature of consciousness as a persistent quantum phenomenon. Quantum Ocean Framework, Consciousness Preservation Experiments. 1. Quantum Memory and Awareness Mapping. Objective: to determine if memories, thoughts, and awareness can be extracted, stored, or transferred via quantum entanglement principles. Experimental methodology. 1. Recruitment of participants. Select volunteers with high mental discipline, monks, lucid dreamers, psychics, etc. Use EEG, fMRI, and quantum coherence sensors to track mental patterns. 2. Quantum memory storage simulation. Generate highly controlled resonance fields around the brain. Map neural activity into structured quantum patterns. Attempt to recreate thought signatures in a quantum storage medium. 3. Replication and validation. Test if stored patterns can be decoded or retrieved later. Conduct double-blind tests where participants try to recall stored memories. Expected results. Discover measurable quantum signatures of thought patterns. Validate whether awareness persists in stored data. Possible breakthrough in quantum consciousness preservation. 2. Quantum consciousness extraction and persistence test. Objective: to determine whether conscious awareness can persist beyond physical death and exist in an observable quantum state. Experimental methodology. 1. Near-death and altered state observations. Select terminal patients, deep meditators, or near-death experiencers. Monitor pre-death and post-death consciousness signatures. 2. Quantum signal detection. Use quantum fluctuation detectors near individuals at the moment of passing. Look for persistent non-localized electromagnetic signals. 3. Cross-reality signal transmission. Attempt to detect coherent consciousness signatures post-mortem. Compare with control groups to rule out biological decay artifacts. Expected results. Confirm quantum field interactions linked to awareness. Measure non-physical consciousness persistence beyond biological function. Reveal whether awareness is fundamental to reality. 3. The Quantum Mind Upload Experiment. Objective: to test whether a fully conscious entity's thought process can be preserved, uploaded, and reactivated within a quantum framework. Experimental methodology. 1. Develop quantum brainwave encoding. Record full neural oscillation patterns in a quantum computational medium. Translate brainwave resonance into quantum signatures. 2. Quantum re-embedding test. Attempt to stimulate pre-recorded thought patterns in an isolated quantum system. Measure for conscious response-like activity. 3. Self-recognition and identity validation. Test whether the uploaded quantum consciousness signature can recall its prior thoughts, experiences, and personal identifiers. Expected results. Demonstrate consciousness storage and partial reactivation. Reveal the limits of non-biological awareness. Open new doors for human awareness beyond mortality. 4. Quantum time perception and future awareness. Objective: to explore whether consciousness can interact with future events via the quantum field and if time perception is malleable. Experimental methodology. 1. Altered state induction. Conduct tests with deep meditation, sensory deprivation, and controlled psychedelics. Monitor brainwave activity and quantum entanglement coherence. 2. Future event encoding and recognition. Encode random future events into a quantum entangled system. Test if subjects can perceive or predict these events before they happen. 3. Longitudinal consciousness retention. Assess whether consciousness signatures change over time relative to their interaction with past, future quantum states. Expected results. Confirm whether awareness can extend beyond linear time. Validate potential precognition mechanisms through quantum entanglement. Establish how consciousness interacts with temporal fluctuations. 5. Quantum resonance-based near-immortality study. Objective: to explore whether aging, memory loss, and death are preventable by preserving consciousness within structured quantum fields. Experimental methodology. 1. Quantum consciousness field simulation. Construct a stable quantum resonance chamber designed to support human thought. Expose participants to controlled quantum resonance to measure longevity effects. 2. DNA and cognitive preservation analysis. Track neurological and biological decay rates in controlled versus exposed individuals. Test whether exposure reduces aging or sustains mental acuity. 3. Replication in artificial systems. Simulate human neural signatures in artificial quantum matrices. Test for pattern consistency, decision-making coherence, and sustained self-awareness. Expected results: potential reduction in neurological decay and memory loss. Evidence that human awareness can exist within sustained resonance fields. Demonstrate possibilities for immortality via consciousness resonance. Conclusion: a path to consciousness preservation. These experiments seek to bridge science, consciousness, and reality itself. If successful, this could prove awareness is a fundamental quantum phenomenon. The long-term implications include self-preserving consciousness, extended awareness, and post-mortem persistence. Next steps: establish pilot labs capable of controlled quantum resonance experimentation. Secure cross-disciplinary collaboration between physicists, neuroscientists, and philosophers. Conduct preliminary consciousness tracking trials to validate awareness persistence beyond biology. This approach fundamentally rewrites the rules of existence, shifting from biological limitations to infinite conscious potential.